English Danish essentials, is there.
Der.
And travel phrases. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll grab 9 super useful Danish phrases for travel and daily life, with rhythm, jokes, and quick wins. Ready to sound polite, confident, and a bit hilarious in Danish? Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll use all 9 phrases in real scenes. Is there?
Der.
May I?
Må jeg?
I need.
Jeg har brug for.
Where is?
Hvor er?
What is?
Hvad er?
How much is?
Hvad koster?
I would like.
Jeg vil gerne.
Can you? Informal.
Kan du?
Can you? Formal.
Kan de?
Mini dialogues. Cafe and shop. Let's play out quick scenes you'll actually face. Cafe. You smile and say, I would like.
Jeg vil gerne.
A cappuccino.
Tak.
Quote. The barista. Sure. You add, as there.
Der.
Wi-Fi? Market. You point at a pastry. How much is?
Hvad koster?
This? You remember your manners. May I?
Må jeg?
Take a photo? Travel desk. I need.
Jeg har brug for.
A ticket to Odense. You look around. Where is?
Hvor er?
Platform 3? Museum. You see a strange tool and ask, what is?
Hvad er?
That exhibit? The guide smiles. Pronunciation beats. Clap, breathe, and echo, short and sweet. Beat 1 to 2. Say slowly.
Der.
Again, eyebrow raise.
Der.
Bell tone polite.
Må jeg?
Softer.
Må jeg?
4 beat need.
Jeg har brug for.
Crisp consonants.
Jeg har brug for.
Point and ask.
Hvor er?
Curious tone.
Hvad er?
Cash register vibe.
Hvad koster?
Cafe smooth.
Jeg vil gerne.
Street directions drill. You're lost but bold, ask like a pro. You, excuse me, where is?
Hvor er?
The metro? Local, right ahead. You point at a word on a sign. What is?
Hvad er?
UD gang. Answer, exit. You double check. Is there?
Der.
A restroom nearby? Big relief incoming. Polite versus casual. Can you? Choose friendly informal or extra polite. Informal to a friend. Can you?
Kan du?
Open the window? Formal to a clerk. Can you?
Kan de?
Show me the way to the station? Bonus. Soften a request with a smile and a tiny nod. It pairs perfectly with
Kan de?
and.
Må jeg?
Quick quiz time. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the line. Q1. Price check. How do you say, how much is? A.
Hvad koster?
Q2. You want permission to sit here, may I? A.
Må jeg?
Q3. You're lost, where is? A.
Hvor er?
Q4. Polite formal help, can you? To a receptionist. A.
Kan de?
Q5. You need water, start with, I need. A.
Jeg har brug for.
Culture tip. Hugo-friendly asking. Be warm, clear, and polite, small words matter. Start requests with
Må jeg?
or,
Jeg vil gerne.
and finish with a gentle.
Tak.
In shops or offices, formal.
Kan de?
Sounds especially respectful, with friends.
Kan du?
Is perfect. Bonus trick. Combine clarity and kindness, I would like.
Jeg vil gerne.
A window seat.
Tak.
Quote. Final challenge. Your turn, short scenarios, fast answers. 1. At a bakery. Ask for a cinnamon roll politely. Start with.
Jeg vil gerne.
2. In a store. Point to headphones and ask the price.
Hvad koster?
3. At the station. You need help. Start with.
Jeg har brug for.
And then ask, where is?
Hvor er?
Platform 2? 4. In a cafe. Check availability. Is there
der
Wi-Fi? 5. Formal desk. Can you
kan de
print this for me? 6. Friend nearby. Can you
kan du
hold my bag? 7. Museum. Point at an object and ask, what is
hvad er
that? Nailed it. Thanks and next steps. You did great. Lock it in with a quick review today. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
der må jeg har brug for hvor er hvad er hvad koster jeg vil gerne kan du
And
kan de
for more lessons, printables, and audio drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.